live back to school shopping. So back to school shopping can be a little stressful because like, you don't know always what you want. But yeah. Hey chicas, it's Claudia, and in today's video we are doing a back to school supplies haul because I've done one of these videos, I can't even tell you how many years I've done it for. It's tradition and I had to do it, and I know you guys like these videos. Plus, sadly, it's back to school time. I go back in 2 weeks, unfortunately. The only good thing about this time is that you get to get new school supplies, and what is better than getting new school supplies? A lot of things are, but it's something to look forward to, and it's something that I would love to share with you guys. Also, I did a little bit of vlogging when I was in Walmart because that's where I got all my school supplies. So throughout the video I'll insert, me shopping while I show you guys what I got. Alright, so we are at Walmart now. I'm in the back to school supplies and I'm getting some things right now. So right now I got a few things. I still have to get quite a few more, but I don't want to show you guys everything because then you guys won't see it all in the video. A really good tip to get if you go to Walmart is just get one of these big bins. They're like $2 or $3, and then just put all your school supplies in it, and that's what I did. And it's easy, just to carry everything in the house. And you can use that as like storage. Little school supplies life hack. Not really, but still that's something I got. So we're gonna get down to the basics, to like what we need every day in school are obviously pencils, but we only do mechanical. Claudia only does mechanical. I don't like the wooden pencils. They give me literally blisters on my finger. Yeah. So we got some big extra sparkle mechanical pencils, and then we got some big extra strong because we need extra strong and we need extra sparkle. And it's +3 bonus pack. So we got some pencils because you need pencils if you are going to school, obviously. We need pencils, but we also need pens. Of course, I love the colored ones because I usually use colored pens for like everything in school for, writing my notes because it's always fun to look at. But we have like a mixture of really pretty colors in here, but then we got our black pens as well in the back because you need those as well. These are just the Zebra brand. I like these ones, and you get a little zebra on the back. It's called Find Zen in Your Pen Zebra. I should bring these to yoga. And another, utensil, writing utensil, I guess you can say, are some highlighters, and we got the big ones too. And these are the Bright Liner 5+1 bonus. And you got some pretty colors in there. And these are really good for obviously, highlighting your notes because when things are in color, you can remember them better and it's always fun to look at again. And I use highlighters a lot because you get a bright fluorescent look. I know I kind of overdid me saying that, but it's okay. So get some of these. Okay, here with the bang. Okay, and of course we got some Sharpies because you need these to, label things, and I like to doodle with Sharpies on my notebooks. And these are the bold fine tip markers. Sharpies always go. And I saw these little, like, skinny Crayola markers, and I was like, these might be cool to get, if I'm also wanting to doodle, but with some fine tip markers. So I decided, why not get some thin markers? Sometimes we need these in school. Obviously, we don't really do that much coloring in school with colors, but I don't know. So now for notebooks. First one we got here is just this really pretty blue color, and it's the Exceed Heavyweight paper. And it's nice. Oh, and look at what it has inside. It has the map. It's got the class schedule. You get some little cheat sheet, inches things. It's a heavy duty one, so good for doodling, it won't break. We also got the pink one. And we got purple because, I like pretty colors, especially, for school, because if I'm using these every day, they gotta look cute. That's my motto. And then we just got one folder. I just got this white one. This could be for like homework and stuff. The 5-star are really nice because they usually hold up a little bit better than other ones. And there is this one kind of like folder thing which I'm definitely going to get. I will show you guys. My brother has one already, but I still need to get mine. And I can just organize all my papers. So I'm gonna show you that. All right. I got it. So this is what it looks like, and they have them at Walmart. I just forgot to get mine. So basically it's like an organizer, but it's not an expandable, it's not bulky, and you have different sections for like different classes, and you can label them, and they're all like with pockets. I think there's 12 pockets in here, which is like 6 of these, which I think is really nice, and that's what I do for all my classes. I just put them in this, so then I don't need a ton of folders, but I just got one, just in case if I need it. But this is definitely a good like paper life hack to organize your papers because they're all in one together. So I would recommend getting one of those like kind of folder organizers, and I think they have them at Staples as well. So the next thing I got are just some sheet protectors. These were only like $1. This is a 20 pack. And I like these because if I have, you know, an important piece of writing or like a test that I got like 100% on, I'll put in a little like, you know, sheet protector. Makes me feel more special. Okay, so for binders, this year I just got one. I just got this white one here. It's, you know, a standard one. And I thought I would just use this for this AP Psych or Psychology class I'm using, so I can just put my papers in here. I just went with white because I can, you know, I will definitely, you know, I always put in like a sheet with a quote on it, and I always decorate these. And I did a video on them last year, which I can link in the down bar description because I always do like a DIY thing to all my supplies to make them look cute. So the next thing I got is just some whiteout because I make a lot of mistakes. So when I have this in my pencil pouch, I am so surprised how much I use it, because I use it a lot and a lot of people will ask me around. So if you make a lot of mistakes, this is definitely a good thing to have in the pouch. Okay, that was double catch. So now we got some index cards. I find myself not really using these throughout the year because I don't really like making flashcards. But this year, since I'm taking 2 AP classes, I said to myself, I'm probably gonna need some more flashcards. That's a total of 500 cards. So we definitely got a lot, and this should last me throughout the year, hopefully. And then the next thing I got, I don't know if this is necessarily for school unless I was gonna do a DIY. I could cut this and then kind of put a cork section in my locker so I could do like a little cork wall in my locker. I know I am that extra, but if I'm gonna be in my locker and I'm gonna be looking at it every day and all the time, it has to look cute and it's gotta look like me. It comes with 4 of them here. They have these at Walmart. It was not that expensive. I think I have some cool ideas to do with them though. I can even put them on my wall over my desk if I wanted to as well. So obviously if you got the cork board, I need some push pins. So I just got some clear push pins here. I have some already that are like colored, but I just got 100 of the clear ones because I thought I would definitely need them. So the next thing I got is just this expandable, and I'm not going to be using this in school. I'm not a huge fan of using expandables because they're so big and bulky. But what I'm going to do with this is I'm actually going to keep it at home, and every quarter I'm going to put all of the papers from that class like in here in like their section. So then when it comes to midterms and finals, I'll have everything in here organized because usually midterms and finals come, I have papers everywhere and it's like, I don't even know what's what. So this is gonna be perfect for like midterm and finals organization, and I hope this works out. I think it will though. All right, so now we're getting down to the last few things that I got for back to school. And one of those is some scissors. What are you gonna call? I got a missed call. These Westcott scissors, it says they're fun and fashion collection. Ooh, wait, are these like, wait, these might be for fabric. I think I made a mistake here. And then the last thing we got is just some paper so I can put in my binder and just so I have some extra paper. I don't know why I got wide ruled. I should have got college ruled notebook paper, but it's not really that much of a difference. It's actually probably easier to write with because there's bigger lines. So I got that as well. So that is all of the things I got for back to school, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you guys are not yet following me on my social media accounts, ClaudiaKC972, make sure you guys go do so. I'm pretty active on Insta and Twitter. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. I have more back to school videos coming up for you guys, so stay tuned and watch them because they're all for you guys. And also make sure you guys are subscribed to my vlog channel. I have been vlogging a lot. I vlog a lot of my trips. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of summer and go back to school shopping soon before the rush gets in and it's all picked over. That's my piece of advice for this video. All right, guys, I love you all so much. Bye, chicas.